Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you several easy ways to make PDF file in mobile. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the plus new button at the bottom right corner. From here, you'll see a few different options. One of the most useful features is Scan. Tap on it, then take a photo of the document you want to convert. After capturing the image, make any necessary adjustments, tap Done, and then save it. Google Drive will automatically create a PDF version of your scanned document. If you already have a photo saved on your phone, you can convert that into a PDF as well. Go back to the plus new menu and tap Upload. Select the image you want to use and wait for it to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, open the image, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and choose Print. On the print screen, tap the printer selection at the top and choose Save as PDF. Finally, your image will be converted into a PDF. You can also save Google Docs files as PDF. Open the document you want to convert, tap the three-dot menu, then select Share and Export. Next, tap Save as, choose PDF, and the file will be exported in PDF format. The same method works for Google Sheets as well. Just open the spreadsheet, tap the three-dot menu, go to Share and Export, select Save As, and choose PDF to create your PDF file. And that's it. Those are some of the easiest ways to make PDF file in mobile. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.